In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unfulfill an order in Shopify. Sometimes you might accidentally mark an order as fulfilled, or maybe a shipment needs to be changed or canceled before it goes out. In those situations, you'll want to switch that order back to unfulfilled so you can handle it correctly. I'll walk you through the exact steps slowly and clearly so you can follow along in your own Shopify dashboard. First, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin. From your main Shopify dashboard, you'll see the usual overview of your store, including recent activity and some basic stats. This is your control center, and it's where we'll start. From here, we want to work our way into the specific order that needs to be unfulfilled. Next, look for the Orders section in the left-hand menu and click on it. This opens up a list of all your store's orders. You'll see each order listed in its own row, usually with details like the order number, customer name, total amount, and current fulfillment status. Find the order that you want to unfulfill and click directly on the white box or row for that order. This will take you into the order details page. Once you're on the order details page, you'll see all the information related to that order: the products, quantities, shipping method, payment status, and the current fulfillment status. Somewhere near the fulfillment status area, look for a drop-down labeled Mark As or something very similar. This drop-down controls how the order is classified in terms of fulfillment. Click on the Mark As drop-down. A small menu will appear with different status options. From these options, choose Unfulfilled. This tells Shopify that you want to switch the fulfillment status back, essentially undoing the previous fulfilled state. After selecting Unfulfilled, you'll usually see a confirmation option, such as a button that says Mark as Unfulfilled. Go ahead and click on that button to apply the change. Shopify will update the order, and the fulfillment status should now show as unfulfilled. At this point, the order is back in a state where you can edit, reprocess, or cancel the fulfillment as needed. It's a good idea to double check the order timeline and details to make sure the change has been recorded correctly.